Hi, it's me, Coffee Tabs. Welcome to my channel.
Hi, sa mo, hi. Subscribe, dali. Like and share.
Bossing.
Oh, Coffee Tab, sabi mo. Subscribe, sa mo, subscribe. Coffee Tabs. Oh, bye-bye ka na, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey. Hi, it's me, Coffee Tabs. Welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, have a blessed day. Mapagpalang buhay sa lahat. And for today's video, magla-lunch po kami. It's Tuesday today, wala silang pasok. Kasi modular lang sila kasi merong bakit walang pasok? Ay mismo sa Taal. We have here, longganisa. Smell ka lang yun, yung tambay yun.
The Lord has blessed me with a trustworthy chief herdsman. So what's your plan? All the herdsmen. Save and lay the
At
bodies.
naggawa ako ng soup.
How much water
Yeah,
do you
soup
need?
lang.
Tell to keep the animals.
Parang mushroom soup na walang mushroom. Hindi makita.
Save yourself the smaller numbers of animals.
Kain tayo. Every eating
Aquapella, though we have little rain.
is a blessing.
Yet for more than a couple of days.
Ito lang po ang aming lunch. Ulan na naman ata.
Fight.
Lakas ng ulan
My
kahapon.
servants are created out of
Wala
animals.
Korean,
I
di
will
ba?
follow.
Ng barangay girls.
May God's grace and mercy go with you.
Wala nga, so, nawalan lang.
Yan, hindi na mainit yung soup. Kasi ang tagal niya, hinantay ko pa siya. Hindi lalo mainit.
I know not sin, but I do know that the Lord will honor my sacrifice for him.
Ay, si Bob. Si Bob. Nanonood po kami ng story ni Bob.
May nagpapakanta ng Bini Boy girls, baka makapiright.
Naman. Kami hindi marinig. Mek! Payok mo muna yun, Mek. Yung soup, sinasabaw na namin. So, wala sabaw. Sumawaga na po ako ng soup. Kain tayo.
Where have you come from?
We're growing in the earth and going back and forth in it.
Have you considered my servant Job? There is no one on earth like him. He is blameless and upright, a man who fears me and shuns evil.
Does Job fear God or not? Have you not put a hedge around him and his household and everything he
What?
has?
Ha?
But
Soup? Hindi mainit eh.
stretch out your hand and smite everything he has, and he will surely curse you to your face.
Very well. Everything he has is in your hands. But on the man himself, do not lay a finger.
Ito pong kain namin. 4-in-1 na to. Breakfast, lunch, merienda, and
Ito kataas ang gastos eh. Ano
Kung gusto ko kung paano pa
nakapag-budget?
ng rice.
Para sa akin, araw-araw.
Bread na lang pag sa
Dahil kailangan mo market.
Wala ko sa sariling bahay. Hirap naman. Wala kang titirahan.
Pagkain kasi kailangan para mabuhay. Hanggang kung di tawag mo yung maintenance. Kung ito yung mawawala, ako lang
Parang hindi na po kami sanay na kumain ng walang camera. Ilang lunch na po kami na lagi naka-record. Parang din tuloy kami sanay ng walang camera. Kasi pinipili ko po yung record. Kaya sabi ko, film lang ang film. Ay, record ko na record. Kung maganda, i-upload. Mga hindi pa po nakipag-subscribe, pasubscribe po sa aking channel. Tapos sa channel niya, Milky Tabs. Ipashare na din po ang aming mga weekly videos. Thank you so much sa lagi na nanonood. Mga subscribers namin.
There's no bitterness in his heart. He's that source of encouragement to us all.
Yun po, tapusin ko na ito muna kayo po. Ayun yung kapaalam namin. Ayun po ang aming today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Kung makumantan po kayo. And pakishare nyo po yung aming mga munting videos. Milky Tabs, Coffee Tabs. Kung po ka subscribe. Thank you so much po sa lahat. Sa aming mga new subscribers. Thank you so much. Keep safe everyone. God bless.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. God bless everyone.